Hello friends, now about the numerical of exercise 9.12. A person with normal near point 25 centimeter using compound microscope with objective of focal length 8 millimeter and eyepiece of focal length 2.5 centimeter can bring an object placed at 9 millimeter from the objective in the sharp focus. What is the separation between these two lenses? And also the calculate the magnifying power of microscope. That means in question related with the compound microscope, the focal length of objective given, we can say FO as a 8 millimeter. Just convert in centimeter, that's why it is 0.8 centimeter. And the focal length of eyepiece is also given, FE is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And the object placed at 9 millimeter from the objective, that's why the object distance related with the from objective, that's why we can say UO is 9 mm, but object distance is always negative according to the sign convention, that's why it is 9 mm. Just convert in centimeter, that's why it is minus 0.9 centimeter. And ask about the distance between two lenses. If we remember the rough diagram for the microscope, then it is like this. If we say this one is objective lens, this one is the eyepiece lens. When we place the object according to the ray diagram, we can get image in between image here, and from the eyepiece we can get final image here. Then this is called D. And here given for the person normal near point is 25, then for normal near point we can say it is the final image distance from eyepiece. That's why the VE, otherwise we can say D, is according to the sign convention it is minus 25 centimeter. Our interest to calculate the distance between two lenses means objective and eyepiece. तब हमें अगर ये डिस्टेंस मिल जाए और ये अगर डिस्टेंस मिल जाए, then we can add these two distance and we can say this is the distance between objective and eyepiece. Here for the objective, object distance is given. Using lens formula easily we can get image distance. For the eyepiece, final image distance given, focal length is also given. Then also we can calculate object distance for eyepiece. फिर इन दोनों को ऐड करें तब हमें इसका डिस्टेंस मिलेगा. तब first of all concentrate on objective. We can say for objective lens, we know the object distance and focal length. Just use the lens formula. Using lens formula, 1 upon f, but for the objective 1 upon FO is equal to 1 upon VO minus 1 upon UO. Therefore 1 upon VO is equal to 1 upon FO plus 1 upon UO. FO is 0.8 centimeter. Here object distance is negative, that's why it is minus 0.9. इसका LCM ले लो तो हमें मिलेगा 0.9 माइनस 0.8 अपॉन 0.8 इंटू 0.9। और अब यहां पर इसका इन्वर्स कर दो, तो ये जो बोलेंगे हम 8 9 जा 72, दैट्स वाई इट इज 0.72 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.9 माइनस 0.8 दैट इज 0.1। तब हमें ये जो भी डिस्टेंस मिलेगा वो ये होगा 7.2 सेंटीमीटर। तो यहां पर बोल देंगे इट इज 7.2 सेंटीमीटर। अब ऐसे ही अगर हम यूज करें फॉर आईपीस, तो फॉर आईपीस इमेज डिस्टेंस एंड फोकल लेंथ इज देयर, दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से 1 अपॉन यूई को सब्जेक्ट कर दे डायरेक्ट, then it is 1 upon VE minus 1 upon FE, 1 upon VE that is minus 25 centimeter, it is 2.5 centimeter। अब अगर यहां पर हम एलसीएम ले इसका, तो एलसीएम के हिसाब से बोलेंगे यहां पर ये बोलेंगे 2.5 माइनस, ये यहाँ पर नेगेटिव साइन एज इट इज रखो, माइनस 2.5 माइनस 25 इंटू 25 इंटू 2.5, देयरफॉर यूई इज इक्वल टू 25 इंटू 2.5 डिवाइडेड बाय यहाँ पर 2.5 माइनस 25, तो 2.5 और इसको हम ऐड कर देंगे तब मिलेगा ये 27.5। तब इसके लिए ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस की कुछ कैलकुलेशन करो, तो 25 इंटू 2.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 27.5 इट इज 2.27 सेंटीमीटर। तब हमें यहां पर ये डिस्टेंस मिला कोई 2.27 सेंटीमीटर। दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से फ्रॉम डायग्राम द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लेंसेज इज 2.27 एंड 7.2 का एडिशन कर दो, देन डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू लेंस इज इक्वल टू 7.2 plus 2.27 it is 9.47 समथिंग हमें कुछ आंसर मिले। अब करना है हमें इसका मैग्नीफाइंग पावर ऑल्सो। तब मैग्नीफाइंग पावर के लिए just use the formula for the magnification of compound microscope for near point. That's why the magnification M is equal to MO into ME. For the objective we can say V by U, मतलब VO upon UO, और आई पीस के लिए 1 plus D upon FE। अब सभी वैल्यूज है हमारे पास। VO ये हुआ 7.2 सेंटीमीटर, it is 0.9 centimeter. Always in case of magnification we will use positive values, 1 plus D 25 upon FE is 2.25, तो ये 7.2 divided by 0.9 it is 8, 1 plus 25 by 2.5 it is 10, तो ये होगा 11 और ये 88। मैग्निफिकेशन इसका हमें 88 मिलेगा। Now about exercise 9.13. A small telescope has an objective lens of focal length 144 centimeter and eyepiece of focal length 6 centimeter. What is the magnifying power of the telescope? In case of telescope, magnification power asks. And what is the separation between the objective and eyepiece lens? Now, in case of telescope, we can say the magnification for telescope magnification m is equal to, we can say, FO upon FE. That's why focal length of objective lens, it is 144 centimeter, and for the eyepiece is 6 centimeter. Just divide 144 divided by 6. It is 24 centimeter. Therefore, magnification for the telescope is 24. And asks about the separation between objective and eyepiece. Then separation between objective and eyepiece, it's called the optical length of the telescope, and that is FO plus FE. Now, separation between two lenses, मतलब objective and eyepiece, it's called is optical length L is equal to FO plus FE. मतलब डायरेक्ट ऐड कर दो इसको, 144 and 6. 144 and 6 is equal to 150 centimeter. Now about from exercise 9.14. This question in two parts. First part, the giant refracting telescope of observatory as an objective lens of focal length 15 meter. If an eyepiece of focal length 1 centimeter is used, then what is the angular magnification of the telescope? So for the observatory, focal length of objective and eyepiece given. If we list out the data, then focal length of objective lens, it is 15 meter. That's why if we convert in centimeter, then it is 1500 centimeter, because eyepiece given in centimeter, focal length of eyepiece in centimeter, that is 1 centimeter. And asks about the angular magnification for the telescope. Angular magnification telescope मतलब simple magnification of the telescope. Then we can say angular magnification M is equal to FO upon FE, and FO upon FE is 1500. The angular magnification for this case is 1500. Now for the second part, if the telescope is used to view the moon, what is the diameter of the image form of the moon formed by the objective? The diameter of the moon is given and radius of the lunar orbit is given. अब radius of the lunar orbit मतलब we can say the distance of the moon and telescope, we can say objective of the telescope. अर्थ से मून का डिस्टेंस we can say radius. अब जो टेलीस्कोप है वो अर्थ पर है, तो इनडायरेक्ट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन objective length of the telescope and moon is given as a 3.8 × 8 meter. अब यहाँ पर पूछा है कि डायमीटर ऑफ द इमेज फॉर्म बाय द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस. इफ वी कॉन्सेंट्रेट अबाउट ओनली द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, तो ये बोलेंगे चलो ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, आईपीएस लेंस तो है ही, लेकिन करना है हमें इमेज फॉर्म बाय द डायमीटर ऑफ द इमेज फॉर्म बाय द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस. तब यहाँ कहीं पर भी हम अपना एज ए मून सोच लेते हैं कि दिस इज आवर मून, और यहां से जो भी रेज आएगी और उसकी इमेज सपोज यहां पर कुछ बना रही है, ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म इमेज ऑफ द मून फॉर द डायमीटर ए बी एज ए डैश बी डैश, क्योंकि जो भी हम ऐसे रेस कंसीडर करेंगे बहुत सारी, तो वो सपोज यहां पर इसकी इमेज बना रही है, तब हमें चाहिए इसका एज ए डायमीटर ऑफ द इमेज फॉर्म। तब बोलेंगे कि दोनों साइड का एंगल तो सेम ही रहेगा। अब जस्ट यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एंगल इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस। देन फॉर दिस अल्फा वी कैन से ए बी, मतलब दिस इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द मून, we can say d upon distance between objective and moon, that is the lunar radius, we can say r, and for this angle alpha is equal to arc मतलब ये होगा इसका डायमीटर जो हमें मेजर करना है वो a dash b dash, और ये होगा इसका फोकस, because objective for here the object as infinite distance, then objective form image at focus of objective, then it is FO. Just compare both, we can say D upon R is equal to A dash B dash upon FO. Therefore अगर यहां पर लिख दूं, then diameter of the image A dash B dash is equal to DFO upon R. Now substitute the values. D मतलब diameter of the moon. Diameter of the moon given 3.48 10 to the power 6. Focal length of the objective. The focal length of the objective given 15 meter. Here all unit in meter. And the radius मतलब the distance 3.8 10 raised to 8 meter. Now do the necessary calculation. Then we can get 3.48 into 15 divided by 3.8, हमें मिलेगा 13.7, और ये 8 ऊपर जाएगा, then it is 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and 10 raised to minus 2 meter, that is 30 centimeter. Then we can say diameter of the moon is 13.7 centimeter formed by the objective. It is the diameter of image of moon. This is only the rough diagram. एग्जाम में ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना कंपलसरी नहीं है. दिस इज ओनली द रफ डायग्राम, ओनली फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन. ये एंगल सेम होगा दोनों साइड, तो दोनों साइड जस्ट एंगल इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस यूज करो, आंसर मिल जाएगा.